A quality engineer wants to check the quality of steel rods produced in a steel factory. For this, 40 pieces of steel rods are randomly selected from the steel factory to assess their quality. Based on this, choose the correct option below. The population is all steel rods produced in all factories. The sample is the 40 steel rods selected from the given steel factory's production. No, because sample is the 40 steel rods given uh, steel factory's production. It is okay, but population cannot be from steel rod produced from all factory. It is only for this factory only. The population is all steel rods produced in all factories. No, the population is all steel rods produced in the given steel factory. The sample is the 40 steel rods selected from the given steel factory's production. Yes, it is right. Values of temperature and humidity of a room are measured for 24 hours at a regular time interval of 30 minutes. Based on this, choose the correct option from below. Cross-sectional time series. Here time is varied, so it is a time series data. Which of the following are numerical variable? Heights, yes, numerical. Day of the week, no. Jersey number of sports player, no. Mobile number, no. Email address, no. Age in years, yes, it is numerical value. Which of the following is a numerical variable? Height, yes. Aadhaar card number, no. PAN card number, no. Passenger name, reservation number, PNR number, no. Stopwatch time in minutes. Stopwatch time, it is a numerical variable. Which of the following variable is have nominal scale of measurement? Nominal scale of measurement. Shirt size, no, it is an ordinal. But ordinal has also the qualities of nominal scale. Aadhaar card number, yes. PAN card number, yes. PNR number, yes. Vegetables, yes. Nominal scale can be all. Let's check the answer. Oh, one wrong. Here the correct Aadhaar card, PAN card, PNR, vegetable. Aadhaar card, PAN card, PNR, vegetable. Sort size. Sort size is a categorical variable, so it is not considering it's a nominal. Okay, rest all are correct. So here sort size will not be a nominal variable. Rest all will be nominal. Correct. Okay. Let's do another exercise. A local government wants to assess the number of rich, middle class, and poor class living in a particular region. To understand this, the government defined the categories based on the annual income of its citizen. Income is measured in lakhs of rupees per year. Poor, income less than or equal to 4 lakhs. Middle class, from 4 lakhs to 8 lakhs, and rich above 8 lakhs. So person 1, 2, 3, 4, this income rich, poor, middle class, these are categories. What kind of a variable is income in the given data set? Income is ordinal variable. Let's see here. Categorical, yes. Discrete numerical, no. Continuous numerical variable, uh, no, it is not a numerical variable, it is a categorical variable. What is the scale of measurement of the variable income in the given dataset? Income is still ordinally. Use the following information and the data given in table and table 1.2 and 1.3. Answer the question 3, 4, 5. Google provides users with the options to rate any app on their Play Store. A user can rate an app by giving an integer rating from 1 to 5. It is a 1 to 5 is a interval scale. The rating of the app is then computed on the arithmetic mean of all user ratings. Table 1.2 and 1.3 show the given rating by user and average rating of apps irrespectively. Here app 1, app 2, app 3, user from 1 to 9, given rating 4, 3, 2, 5 like this, and the app name 1, 2, 3, average rating 3, 4.25, 3. What kind of a variable is the rating given by each user to an app? Is it categorical? No. Discrete numerical variable? Continuous discrete numerical variable. What is the scale of measurement of the rating given by user? It is an interval scale. Interval scale. What kind of variable is the overall rating of an app on Play Store? Overall rating is the 3, 4.25, 3.5. It is a categorical, not a discrete numerical variable, continuous numerical variable. Use the following information and given the question. So 6, 7, 8. Karthik wants to start a shoe production company for all the Indian market. To analyze public preferences, he hires a team of market researchers who conduct market research in two states, Andhra Pradesh and Maharashtra. The market research team prepares a form to collect the data, and the collected data set is shown in table. Is the sample a representative of the population? Sample is not, because he wants to produce for all Indian market, but sample is collected from only two states, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra. So it is not a good representation of population. So it is false. Is a sample of the representation of the population? False. How many variables from the collected survey data are categorical? How many variables from the collected survey data are categorical? Here name is a categorical data. One. Age, no. Shoe material, yes. Two. Purpose, yes. 3. Price range, yes. 4. Suggestion is unstructured data, so it is not numerical or categorical. But name, shoe material, purpose, price range, these four variable are the categorical variable. How many variable from the collected set on the data are categorical? It is a 4. Which of the collected data is unstructured? Shoe material, purpose, prices, suggestions, serial number, name, age, shoe material, purpose, price range, suggestions. Suggestions are unstructured data because it is having quality should be better with better thread passing, heel quality should be better. These are the unstructured data. We cannot infer anything from this. Let's see next question. Naresh is a bike enthusiast and wants to know what the specification of all the major bikes available in the market. He collects data for different bike models which is given in table. This is a bike brand Honda, Yamaha, Suzuki. Here is a bike name Honda CBR 1000RR, Yamaha Y2F R1. Mileage in kilometers, displacement in cc, number of cylinder, max power, pneumatic power, Think hydraulic, front brake, rear brake, rating, reviews. So which of the following either cases or observation for the given bike data set? Cases and observation will be will be unique. Yani it is a bike model name. It is a KTM 790 Duke. Yes, Yamaha MT-09. These are the cases or observation. Yamaha. It is a brand company, so it will not be displacement and CC. It will also not be the observation. These two are the observations or cases. Which of the following is a continuous variable in the given bike dataset? Mileage. Mileage is a continuous variable. Displacement in cc. Displacement in cc. Displacement in cc. Yes, yes, yes. It is also continuous. Number of cylinders not. Average rating. Average rating is also continuous variable. So it is also a continuous variable. Mileage, displacement, average rating. Statement: the sample should be representative of the population. True, since the sample is a subset of the population. True, because the sample is a subset of the population and we derive the properties of the population like mean, median from the sample. Yes. False, sample need not to be representative of the population. The second option is true. Use the following information to answer the question 12, 13 and 14. The head of a locality in Chennai conducted a survey in her locality regarding COVID-19. According to the survey, statement 1, 59% of the residents consider COVID-19 to be a serious disease, but 41% consider it as normal flu and are of the opinion that there should not be any lockdown. The head of the locality in Chennai conducted survey in her locality. Okay. Which of the following is a cases observation for the above data? India is a case. No. Person who answered the survey. These are the cases of observation. Not COVID-19, not flu. If all the residents of the locality participated in the survey, what statistical analysis can be done using this data? It will be descriptive statistics, because all the resident and locality participate in the survey. If some of them participated, then we should infer the calculation and answer from the given sample. Then the study will be inference statistics. But here all residents have participated, so it will be descriptive statistics. Next, suppose the survey collected data from 100 of the locality residents taken at random. Now that statistical analysis can be done to issue statement 1 and 2 from this data, it will be inferential statistics because we collected only sample 100 of the locality. The next is the biomedical company generated a new vaccine for COVID-19 and tested it on the few people. After a few days, medical checkup was done on them and report is given in table 1.g. In table 1.g1, BP stands for blood pressure, HP stands for high pressure, and LP stands for low pressure. Based on this information and data given in table, answer the question in 16 and 17. Here is name, gender, weight, BP, temperature, headache, vomiting. Which of the following variables given in table is a numerical variable? Headache not, gender not, weight yes, temperature yes. Weight and temperature are numerical variable. Which of the following is a cases? M no, name no, Hitesh yes, Kirthi yes, mild gender no. Which of the following variables have ratio scale of measurement? Gender no, BP no, weight yes. Weight is a ratio scale of measurement. Temperature in Fahrenheit no, because weight having absolute zero, the temperature in Fahrenheit is not having any absolute zero. BP also not, gender also not. In a supermarket, the bill for each customer is given in an ordered tabular form. The bill for the customer Pavitra, which is purchased on 1st March 2021, is given table. Assume cost per unit is a continuous numerical variable. Total cost is calculated by the following formula. Total cost is equal to cost per unit into units based on the information and given data. Answer the question 18 and 19. Here serial number, item name, category, brand, cost per unit, unit total cost. Which of the following variable given in table has ratio scale of measurement? Ratio scale, cost per unit. Cost per unit is ratio scale? No. Total cost? Yeah. If unit will be 0, total cost will be 0. So total cost is the ratio scale of measurement. Units may be 0. So units is also ratio scale. Serial number is not. Cost per unit not a ratio scale. Because cost per unit no is not ratio scale. We'll check at the end. Which of the following statement is true about the data given in? Cadbury, Dairy Milk, Silk, Cello Fine Grip and Shimla apples are cases observation. Yeah, these are the cases and observations. Cost per unit, unit and total cost are continuous numerical variable. No, unit are not continuous, it is a discrete. Cost per unit and total cost are continuous numerical variable. Cost per unit and total cost are continuous, yes. Cost per unit and units are continuous, no. The given data in table 1.0 is a time series or cross sectional. Here time is not varies, time is fixed. So it is a cross sectional data. It is a cross sectional data. Let's check how much are correct. Oh no, 18.67. There is something is little bit mistakes. This is correct. Three options are there. All three are correct. Here is partially correct. Total cost also has ratio scale of measurement as it has absolute zero. Unit variable has also ratio scale of measurement. Cost per unit, total cost or unit. Cost per unit is also a ratio scale of measurement. The cost per unit, total cost, units. All three are has ratio scale of measurement. Cost per unit also is ratio scale of measurement. Cost per unit also has a ratio scale of measurement. Thank you.